Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to WonderGems, your portal to the enchanting world of gemstones. Today, we're diving deep into the gentle embrace of Rose Quartz, a stone that's as captivating as its delicate hue. Get ready to be swept away by its charm as we uncover its secrets. Let's get started. Our journey begins millions of years ago. Imagine volcanic lava slowly cooling, giving birth to granite formations. Nestled within these fiery cradles, rose quartz began to take shape. From Brazil to South Dakota, this gem has been treasured for centuries. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Romans, believed in its power and beauty. Rose quartz, with its gentle pink energy, is known as the stone of love. But not just romantic love. It promotes self-love, reminding you of your worthiness and encouraging forgiveness. Feeling anxious? Hold a piece of rose quartz close, breathe deeply, and feel its calming energy wash over you. It's like a warm hug for your heart and soul. Section 4, the language of stones, symbolism of rose quartz. In the language of crystals, rose quartz speaks of unconditional love, compassion, and harmony. This beautiful pink stone is often associated with the heart chakra, making it a powerful tool for emotional healing and relationship building. Its soft, soothing energy can help to dissolve emotional wounds, fears, and resentments, allowing the heart to open up to love and trust once more. It whispers tales of peace and tranquility, reminding you to approach life with an open heart. The gentle vibrations of rose quartz can calm the mind and bring a sense of inner peace, making it an excellent stone for meditation and relaxation. By keeping rose quartz close, you can invite more serenity and balance into your daily life. Its gentle energy encourages forgiveness, both of yourself and others, paving the way for deeper connections. This stone teaches the importance of self-love and self-care, reminding you that you must first love yourself before you can truly love others. It helps to release past traumas and emotional baggage, creating space for new, positive experiences. Whether you wear it or meditate with it, rose quartz invites you to embrace love in all its forms. From romantic love to deep friendships and familial bonds, this stone encourages you to nurture and cherish the relationships that matter most. By integrating rose quartz into your life, you can cultivate a more loving and compassionate outlook, enriching your connections with others and yourself. Section 5. From Mines to Masterpieces, Rose Quartz in Jewelry. The delicate beauty of rose quartz makes it a favorite among jewelry designers. From delicate earrings to statement necklaces, this gemstone has captured the hearts of many. Its soft pink hue is not only visually appealing, but also exudes a sense of calm and love. This gem adds a touch of elegance and grace to any look. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or adding a subtle charm to your everyday attire, rose quartz fits seamlessly into any wardrobe. Its versatility knows no bounds. It can be paired with other gemstones or stand alone as a statement piece. You can find it in modern minimalist designs or ornate vintage pieces. No matter your style, rose quartz offers something for everyone. There's a piece of rose quartz jewelry waiting to complement your unique beauty. Its timeless appeal ensures that it remains a cherished addition to any jewelry collection. Whether as a gift or a personal treasure, rose quartz continues to enchant and inspire. Section 6. Beyond the Surface. Fun facts about rose quartz. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of rose quartz, a gemstone that has captured hearts and imaginations for centuries. Did you know that rose quartz is often found in massive formations, some weighing several tons? These colossal structures are a testament to the natural beauty and abundance of this pink-hued mineral. Imagine stumbling upon a formation so large, it feels like you've discovered a hidden treasure trove of love and harmony. That's a whole lot of love. The heart shape is no coincidence. Rose quartz is often associated with the heart chakra, believed to open up the heart to all forms of love: self-love, romantic love, family love, and platonic love. It's like having a little piece of universal love right in your hand. It's also believed to attract love and harmony to its surroundings, making it a wonderful addition to any home. Place it on your windowsill to catch the sunlight and let its gentle energy fill your space with warmth and positivity. Many people swear by its calming effects, saying it helps to create a peaceful and loving atmosphere. Some cultures believe that gifting rose quartz can strengthen relationships and promote understanding. Whether it's a token of friendship or a romantic gesture, this gemstone is thought to foster deeper connections and emotional healing. It's like giving a piece of your heart to someone you care about. So next time you're looking for a meaningful gift, consider sharing the love with rose quartz. It's not just a beautiful stone, it's a symbol of affection and emotional well-being. Perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or just because you want to show someone you care. That's all for today, gem enthusiasts. But before we go, let's recap some of the amazing things we've learned about rose quartz. From its massive formations to its heartwarming associations, this gemstone truly is a marvel of nature. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of rose quartz. Whether you're a seasoned gem collector or a curious newbie, there's always something new to discover about these incredible stones. Their beauty and energy are simply unmatched. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning about your experiences with rose quartz. Have you ever felt its calming energy or gifted it to someone special? Let us know. Which fact surprised you the most? Was it the massive formations or the heartwarming associations? Maybe it was something else entirely. Your feedback helps us bring you more of the content you love. And if you loved this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe to WonderGems for more sparkling adventures. We have so many more gems to explore, and we can't wait to take you along for the ride. Until next time, keep shining bright.